Do you want an email list full of potential customers, but starting from zero feels impossible? Well, forget impossible. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 dead simple ways to get your first real subscribers starting today with no complex tech needed. I know building that first email list feels like the biggest hurdle. It stops so many small businesses before they even start tapping into the power of email marketing, but it doesn't have to be complicated. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst, and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. And today we're cutting through the noise. These 5 tactics are straightforward, effective, and you can start using them this week. Okay, first up is your own website. You might be getting website visitors, but they look around and leave without a trace. And you have no way to follow up with them. And here's the thing, people aren't going to hunt for a way to sign up or contact you. You need to make it obvious. Put a clear sign-up form where they can see it, maybe the homepage header, the footer, or a gentle pop-up after they've been on the page for a bit. But when doing this, don't just ask for an email. Offer something small but valuable in return. It could be a 10% discount on their first order, a simple sign-up sheet related to your business, or access to exclusive news. You need to make that benefit crystal clear right on the form. It seems simple enough, and this is often the easiest first step. Strategy number 2 builds on that idea of offering value. Sometimes a simple newsletter sign-up or a small discount isn't enough to convince someone to hand over their email. They need a stronger reason. So you can create something specifically designed to solve a common problem for your ideal customer. We call this a lead magnet or a freebie. When doing this, you need to think simple. You don't need to write a novel. You can offer them a downloadable checklist, a quick start guide, a simple template, or a short video tutorial that gives them a quick win. And a great starting point for this is answering that one question that you get asked all the time. After you have that, promote this freebie on your website, social media, or even your email signature. This works because you're directly helping them before asking for anything else. So what's one simple checklist you could create for your customers this week? Just think about it. Okay, so this next one is often overlooked. Business owners focus so much on finding new people that they forget the gold band that they already have, which is their existing customers. People who have already bought from you or work with you already know, like, and trust you. They are most likely the people that want to hear from you again. But don't just assume they'll find your sign-up form. You need to reach out personally. Send a quick email or mention it next time you talk to them. Say something like, "Hey, Bob, I'm starting an email list where I'll be sharing tips on this topic and occasional special offers. Would you like to join?" Okay, so let's talk about the real world. We get so focused online, we forget about valuable face-to-face interactions. I know you might be thinking, email lists from in-person events sounds old school, but it works. What you want to do is make it incredibly easy for people you meet in person to join your list on the spot. Something like a QR code. Create a simple QR code that links directly to your email sign-up page. Ideally, it's the one that offers your freebie or lead magnet. You can put this QR code on your business cards, flyers at your shop counter, signs at the market, trade shows, or even in presentation in your slides if you speak anywhere. The best thing about this is someone scans it, enters the email, and done. It bridges that gap between the physical and digital worlds instantly. Our final strategy is running a simple contest or giveaway. Now, you want more subscribers, but you need to attract the right kind of people. Potential customers and not just freebie seekers. The key when doing this method is making that prize highly relevant to your business and your ideal customer. You can offer your own product or service as the prize, or something very closely related that your target audience would love. For example, if you're a graphic designer, give away a logo critique or a branding package, not just a generic gift card. Then promote the giveaway on social media and ask people to enter by signing up for your email list. Now, how do you make sure this actually turns into business later on? You do this by immediately providing value to those new subscribers after the contest ends, showing why staying on your list is worthwhile even if they didn't win. Just keep it simple, make the prize desirable for your target audience, and watch your list grow with relevant leads. So there you have it. 5 straightforward ways to start building your email list today. Remember what I said in the start? Starting from zero doesn't have to feel impossible. The keys to making it possible is make it easy, offer clear value, and leverage connections you already have. Don't focus on getting thousands of subscribers overnight. Focus on getting your first 10, then 50, then 100 engaged people who actually want to hear from you. Quality will always beat the quantity. Are you ready to put these tips to work and actually start growing your business? If so, hit the subscribe button because I share simple strategies that you can implement today. And let me know in the comments, which one of these 5 strategies are you going to try first? The real question isn't if you should build an email list, but it's how soon you can start connecting with your audience directly. Start simple and start today.